When I'm channeling, it's like I don't exist. I'm not listening to what I'm channeling. 1 millisecond before the information enters my brain, I realize that information is there, and immediately I open my mouth and I share that information. For me, it's a big practice of trust, surrender, love. I feel a powerful shift of energy and a potent flow of information coming through me. I was always curious what is happening with my brain while I'm channeling.
My name's Jeffa Tarranta, and I'm a psychologist. Most of the work that I've been engaged in is more in the field of neuroscience. And so early in my career started working with EEG technology to measure brainwave activity. And so I've been doing that for 25 years or so. Another area of work that I've been doing is looking at brainwave activity in psychics and mediums and energy healers. When I met Tjaša for the first time, I wasn't really sure what to expect. How would I describe her energy, her vibe? It's almost like you just want to go up and give her a hug. Like you just meet her and it's like she's got the sweetest, kindest, most gentle energy.
I'm so excited to see what will happen because I was planning to do this for many years.
Yeah. I'm excited too. I'm glad to be here.
Me too. Should we start?
Let's do it.
Okay.
All right.